What's new as of April 2025 is the ability for the BravoZone to track all sessions played in instructor mode using the reports within the BravoZone. And that includes voice mode. How it works is simply this. A session is started. Even if it's not completed, a report is generated. So go to the BravoZone, and I want to go up to here at the top, go to Reports, Instructor Led. By default, when you open up reports, it's only going to show you completed sessions. To see incomplete, just go up to the blue status bar here and change it to incomplete, or I'm going to go ahead and choose all. I'm going to see here 3 sessions that were completed that I know are voice mode. Now I've got 2 options. I can click on the individual session, so I'm going to click on the second one here, click on details. If I go to summary though, I will see the instructor name. I will see, because custom fields were set up, I will see the number of players. I will see the organization or whatever the custom field is you created. And I will see a timestamp. And I can print that out, or I can download as a CSV file. Or I can click on the title name. That'll pull up all 3 sessions, and I can download those collectively. What's also unique here is if I have a lot of different sessions played last year, last month, and I want to download for a specific time frame, I simply just choose a date range here, and it will only pull up those reports and include that into a CSV file. And then the CSV file is you can do some further edits. Well, that's it. BravoZone now tracks reports for all instructor-led sessions, including voice mode.